Hi everyone, this is Niecy Love Harmon of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today we will be learning how to use the zipper foot on the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So let's get started. First thing you need to know is this is what the zipper foot looks like. It is foot E that comes with the machine. I have a 7-inch zipper here, as well as I've already pre-ironed and prepped our fabric for sewing. When using a zipper foot and when you're sewing a zipper, you want to make sure that your width is on 0 and your length can be between 2 and 4. I'm going to put mine at about a little over 3, and you're going to use the A1 foot. So we're using a straight stitch to do our zipper today. Let's cut the machine on. The first thing I'm gonna do is snap on my zipper foot. So there's a little button in the back here. You're going to push the button and it releases the foot that was there before. And we will attach the zipper foot. Now, if you look here, there's the left side and the right side of the zipper, so it depends on what side. So if you're sewing the right side of the zipper, you're going to attach the needle to the left side of the foot. So I will attach the foot holder to the left side of the zipper foot. Now snap it down. And I'm ready to start sewing. You want to make sure that you take your thread and you're going to put it between the toe here and make sure it goes to the back. Okay, so I basted my zipper in place on both sides, and now it's time to start sewing. So first thing I do, I'm going to unzip my zipper as such. I'm going to start with the start of the zipper. Put my presser foot down, turn my hand wheel. I want to take my hand wheel, I want to turn it so that my needle is in the fabric, and then I'm going to press the reverse stitch. I'm going to press that while I start sewing, and then I'll do a couple of reverse stitches to put it in place. And I'm going to try to get as close to the edge, maybe about 1/8 inch from the edge of the fabric. So when I get kind of close to the zipper stop, I'm going to lift up the presser foot, and I can push it up really far too. And so I lift it up. I'm going to zip it. This one you don't have to do that, but sometimes I would have to do that. Run the zipper stop up to the top and close it, and then I'll continue to sew all the way to the edge. All right, I will cut my thread here. Now, if you look at it, it's not the best. I kind of got too close over here. I'll make sure I do better next time with my sewing. Don't judge me though. I'm going to take my zipper foot off. So I'm going to push the little button back here to release the zipper foot. And then I'm going to attach the mechanism to this side of the zipper foot. Like that. Okay. So now I can sew on the left side of the zipper. Bring my zipper stop down, and I'm going to do the same thing I did on the right side. Try to sew about 1/8 inch seam. When I get close to the zipper stop, I will put the presser foot up, run the zipper stop through, put the presser foot back down, and keep going to the edge. And you can use your reverse stitch at the end if you desire, but for this tutorial, it's not a big deal. A wonderful zipper has been inserted into the fabric. Don't forget to remove basting. And you have learned how to use the zipper foot of the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So thank you for watching. Leave us comments, subscribe to our page. Let us know if you have any video ideas. And thanks for watching.